Hello dear violinists, welcome to Pro Am Strings and this brand new course Learn to Play Suzuki Violin Volume 2. I'm Henriette and I'm delighted to teach this course. I have made this course by popular request. It is a continuation from Learn to Play Suzuki Violin in 30 Days, which covered Volume 1. If you are new on your violin playing journey, I suggest you follow that course first before you start this one. So, welcome if you are new to an online course like this, and welcome back if you've learned online with me before. This course will be another 30-lesson course, and we will develop your violin playing step by step, making sure that you develop a sound technique whilst having fun playing all the lovely pieces in Suzuki Book 2. Lessons will be published every few days, so that you have the opportunity to practice all the things from the previous lesson before you carry on with the next one. So, if you would like to be updated whenever a new course is published, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button now. What do you need for this course? Of course you need a violin and a bow and a shoulder rest. And you would also need something to tune your violin. You will find tuning videos to help you tune your violin on this channel, but you may also use a tuning fork or a tuning app. And most importantly, you will also need time to play your violin. Ideally, you'd like to set aside a bit of time every day, but at least 3 to 4 times a week for about 20 to 30 minutes. The more time you put into your violin, the more your instrument will give you back. Halfway during this course, you may also need another book, which I will tell you about during the course. This course will now also be subtitled, so even if English is not your first language, you can still take part. That's all for now. I very much look forward to starting this course with you. Goodbye.